Hi, this is Easy Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable data tracking on your Uber Eats. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. You've got a busy day ahead, you're running late, and now you find that your car will not start. You need to get the office, so you decide to give Uber a try. You download the app to your phone and send your right request, or you order food. You're in a hurry, so you don't take time to go through all those terms and condition privacy policy. Besides, you're requesting a ride to work or order food for your lunch, how much information could possibly be collected and shared out. So in this video, will show you how to tracking your data on your account. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Uber Eats. You can log in with your account that you want to track the tracking data. From here, you can go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right here. Now you can just choose on Privacy Center. Choose on Privacy. From here, you'll find there is an option data tracking. To control data tracking for personalized ads, you can just choose on that. So from here, if this feature is checked, Uber will use your account and device information and information regarding your visits and action on third-party apps and websites to better understand your interests and the effectiveness of Uber ads. So if you don't want, you can just uncheck. If you want to Uber to tracking your data, you can just enable it like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable how to data tracking your Uber Eats account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.